Kerry, Katona and Danielle Lloyd have been slammed for encouraging fans to buy illegal fake designer gear on social media. Both pose in knockoffs on their Instagram pages, which then direct fans to the sellers. Former Atomic Kitten star Kerry, 37, this week plugged £140 fake Gucci trainers while directing her 150,000 followers to the supplier. The real things cost £700. Model Danielle, 34, has a series of posts for fake gear, including a bogus pink handbag. It sells for £150 compared to £1,000 for the genuine article. Knowingly buying and selling fake goods is not only illegal, but it costs taxpayers millions and often uses slave labor. One fan who saw Kerry's post said, "The world of counterfeit goods is an ugly one. I know that not everyone can afford the absurd price tag of the genuine items, but there are many alternatives to suit everyone's budget on the high street." The page Kerry endorsed has sold fake Louis Vuitton handbags, Chanel sunglasses and Rolex watches for 6 months. The anonymous account, with more than 2,000 followers, even boasts about that his fake products are the best. Customers on the page order their sham gear by texting a mobile phone number. His son was quoted £140 for a pair of Gucci trainers. Asked if the shoes were real, the number replied, "Not real, no." Instagram shut down the accounts promoted by Kerry and Danielle when alerted by the Sun last night.